Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math,
Ralph Chandler Middle School. Moms and dads, what did we do this week? Well, we got these passed in and handed in. Most of these were complete today for periods 1, 3, and 6. And it looks a little something like this. We've got the convection currents going on the left-hand side. We've got the 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And we also have the direction in which those global winds, that's what these little arrows are, the direction in which those global winds are moving.
Good.
These are trade winds, these are westerlies, and these are the polar easterlies. And the whole idea about this is to get them so that when they're looking at a dish, they can think of global winds. So this is actually made out of a little dish. See it from the side? It's made out of a little dish. Let me just hide that little name so you can't see the name. And the instructions are on the back of it. There it goes. A nice little project. It was fun, and some people did a really nice, colorful job.
Good
just
job.
like that.
That is nice.
We did
that.
that.
Good job.
And then today what we did is we did a standardized test review from the book. What does that mean? Well, it's kind of difficult. It wasn't easy material to do. They could use their books, but they had a lot to do. They had to look at a table, something like this, to figure out the answer. They had to look at isobars, like what we see right there, to try to figure out those answers.
Tough stuff.
Yeah, some of this stuff really is hard. It really is difficult. And then right here, what they had to do is they had to compare air masses and fronts, humidity, relative humidity, and dew point precipitation, hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards, fog, meteorologists to station miles, precipitation to fog, and isobars to isotherms. Wow, those are big words. Do you know what those are? No, those are big words, and it's a hard concepts, Mom and Dad, very hard. And isobars to front. So we worked on that today. Tomorrow I'm going to give some more of the students a few more minutes or several more minutes in class tomorrow to try to get that done. And then we're going to move ahead and we're going to start getting into energy, conservation of energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy. You know what that is?
All those energies, yeah.
All right, so when I eat an orange, what kind of energy is that?
That's transferred energy.
That's right. Well, it's stored, right? I take the energy from the orange, I put it in my body, and in a sense it's stored. Some of it's being used, yes, which is kinetic. Some of it's being stored.
Yeah.
And then when I go to talk like I'm talking right now, hey, Trey, ba, 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 moving around, I need some of that energy that's stored from that orange to move around. That's kinetic energy, energy of motion. So we'll get into that next week, but right now I'm going to let Mr. Goff take off and tell you what's going on in math. There's a lot going on. The end of the year is here, okay?
That's right. In math today, class, we were finishing our test in Math 6. But in Math 7, we are continuing with our Chapter 10, and we're almost done. We're going to have a test this Friday, Thursday and Friday, in Math 7. So, I had a student that asked me, can you show me a little bit about this coordinate plane we're doing? We're talking about translations today in Math 7, and we're using a coordinate plane to do so.
Okay.
Now, look at this coordinate plane here. I have to plot these 3 points on the coordinate plane, okay? So A is at 2, 1, so I always start in the middle, and I'm going to count over 2 and up 1, and I'm going to put a little dot there.
Okay, so I go over 2, 1, 2, and then up 1. So
That's
coordinate A, 2, 1.
That's right. Here's A right here. B is at negative 1, 2. That's my X and Y. Okay, that's what we're talking about. X, Y. So on my X line, or my X axis, negative 1, back 1 from the center, back 1, and then up 2. So I go up 2 right here, and there is B right there. Okay, and then C.
Can I try this one?
Yeah, show me where
C is going to be negative 2, so I can imagine negative 2 would be, oh, no, not over here.
No.
Okay, it would be here, negative 1, negative 2.
That's correct.
And then 1 would go up 1, or 1 there. So negative 2, up 1.
That's correct, Mr. Esposito.
All right,
Good
excellent.
job.
Do I get a smiley face, a
You
piece
do.
of candy?
You do. You do. Now, I'm going to draw a line to connect all these.
Oh.
And now my drawing's not perfect, but I ended up with some kind of triangle.
Excellent.
Okay? Now here's the deal. Look at these directions up here. It says, translate 3 units left and 2 units up. So what does that mean? That means each point needs to go 3 units to the left and 2 units up. So I'm going to do that. To the left, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 2 up. 1, 2. This is going to be right here now.
Oh.
This one, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 2 units up. 1, 2, right here.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. And this one, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 2 up. 1, 2, right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. And it looks like,
And
it just looks like it moved.
It did move. The whole image was translated.
Wow. That's why they
3
call it
units to the left
translate.
and 2 up. Yeah. So they have a little homework in that tonight, okay? The homework
These
is...
are fun to do. Mom and Dad, these actually look fun. I think I want to do some myself. I'm
they're
serious.
fun. Oh, well, why not?
Very
I've got
good.
plenty of them. I'll show you some, and then you can do them.
What do you call those things? What are they called?
Well, no, that's a translation. There's also reflection.
Oh,
Okay, and
translation.
rotation. Those are
reflection.
translations. We were doing translations, and tessellations are kind of part of that.
I did some of those. I saw him do some, and then I said, "Yeah, I like that idea." I did some in my own class with my students. Hey, show me how to do this, and I actually made some. I thought it was good.
That's good. That's good. It's good fun stuff.
So what else you had going on?
Well,
Nice
that's...
shirt there today, Mr. Goff.
Thanks. That is Math 7, page 555. The homework is on 1 through 6. Okay, and that's all about the translations. And then we finished up the test today in Math 6. Tomorrow we start a whole new chapter, chapter 11. Let me see this, Mr. Esposito. We're going to be ordering integers tomorrow, everybody.
Ordering
on Math
integers.
6.
You looking for this?
Yeah, we're done. No, you can go back. I just wanted to see.
Oh.
I just wanted to make sure I was talking about the right stuff.
All right, I thought you were talking about some of this sauce.
That is what I dip my broccoli in when I eat it at lunch.
Excellent.
Yeah, this
I
has been
know I
a
smelled
very
something.
this has been a
Is it
very
better?
very exciting video today for the kids. Don't you think so?
They learned a lot. They did a lot. They did a lot. They've been covering a lot. Hey, moms and dads, and boys and girls, I got to give you 2 thumbs up because you know what? Weather, when you're talking about the Coriolis effect, you're talking about weather, you're talking about global winds and convection currents, and wow, trade winds, westerlies and easterlies, polar, wow. It's difficult. So, you know what? Take a breather. Take a look at it tonight. I give you guys a lot of credit. It is a difficult concept. It is not easy, so we're really working our way through it. Okay?
Yeah. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you did watch all the way to the end, thank you very much.
All right, thank you. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up, everybody. Ralph Chandler Middle School.